Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is my Logitech wireless mouse. I love Logitech because their products are extremely high quality. I seriously have some Logitech accessories that I've been using for like 10 years, and they still work like the day that I got them. And this mouse is no exception. As soon as you pick it up, you can tell that it's made of high quality materials. I like the smooth matte surface. It feels very comfortable. It fits right in my hand, so when I'm using it, I feel just like my hand is resting on it. I don't feel like I'm having to grip it, and my hand doesn't cramp up after a lot of hours of using it. Another feature that's really cool is, as you can see on both sides, it's got a little groove for your thumb. So that's handy for me because I'm right-handed, but my wife is left-handed. So it's got a thumb groove for both of us. So this is a high quality product from Logitech, and I use it, I like it, and I recommend it. And that's my point of view.